Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. Today we're going to be changing the primary on this 2021 Road Glide made by Harley. It has the Milwaukee 8 engine. We have our 5/8 socket, and we're going to loosen the bolt just on the bottom here of the derby cover, just right under the derby cover. We're going to pop it open and let things drain. All right, so you're going to have the most wear on this plug out of all the three plugs with the engine oil, the transmission, and the primary. You're going to have the most metal shavings here because this is where you shift. Your shifting gears, and they're always going to grind a little bit, but as long as there's not huge chunks in there, it's perfectly normal. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our T27 Torx and we're going to loosen all these bolts here. We're going to leave the top one though till last, and you're going to see why. So this is why right here. Okay, so we leave the top last because otherwise the derby cover will fall, and we don't want that. So let's remove it, and there we go. All the fluid is drained out. Everything's looking pretty clean. You can replace the gasket if it's really worn. I don't replace it every time. I maybe replace it every 3 changes. And this came out of my little Amazon kit, and this is a game changer for filling up your primary. This little funnel right here is so helpful because filling up one of these primaries is a bit tricky. All right, the oil is down to a drip, which means we can put our plug back in here, and we want to snug it up, and we don't want to strip it. So just be careful when you snug up the drain bolt. You want to get it snug and do a quarter turn pass snug. They're very easy to strip out, so be very careful and be mindful about that. Okay, so I like putting this Formula Plus. It's made for your transmission and the chain case for the primary here in a Harley Davidson. It gives a little added protection against heat and wear. Can you run regular oil this in all three holes? Absolutely, you can. And if you change it out enough, I'm sure it's fine. But I'm just going to add a liter. Harley Davidson calls for a liter in this Milwaukee 8 engine, and as you can see, it's level with the plate. And that's another thing too, is you're going to need a friend to sit on the bike to hold it upright. You cannot do this on the kickstand here. So that's why you need one of these. You need a little bike stand, or you need a friend to sit right there and hold your bike level. Otherwise, when you add your lubricant in, it's going to be a mess, and it's going to be all over the floor, and you just can't do it. So you can change your oil and you can change your transmission on the old kickstand, but for the primary, your bike has to be level. So remember that. Okay, so we're going to go in a star pattern here. Okay, we're going to do the top first, and then we're going to go here, and then we're going to go to the left, left, middle. See, I'm going in a star pattern, and I'm just snugging up. I'm not going all the way. I'm just snugging as I go. And this is how we get at equal pressure around the circumference of the derby cover and make sure that we get a good seal. All right, everything is tight and ready to go. And that's it. You've changed your primary oil. Very, very easy, and will save you a lot of money. Good luck on your oil changes on your Harley Davidson. Do it yourself and save a ton of money.